Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide likes on SoundCloud. First of all, open up the SoundCloud mobile application. Once you open it up, at the bottom you should find the library. Click on the library and from here, you should find the tracks that you just did. If you don't have the premium version, then you cannot hide your likes on SoundCloud. If you have the premium version, go to the settings and go to basic settings. From here you should find the option of hide like, or you should find the option of quiet mode. Just click on the quiet mode and enable the quiet mode. Once you're in the quiet mode, then all of the likes that are on your tracks will be disappeared. Your likes on any of the tracks will hide, and that is how you can easily hide likes on SoundCloud. But the option is that you have to buy the premium version of the SoundCloud. Otherwise there is no option. Otherwise just use a PC with the premium version, and from there you can easily go to the settings, and from there you should find the option of quiet mode. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.